Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Hedera and Ripple, a new political climate. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, you can also check out the official Crypto Growth partners. For the exchange, we've got MEXC. You can follow the link in the description box below for rebates, discounts, offers, benefits, and lowest fees, so do check it out. And as far as the wallet is concerned, you can check out Decent. They've got their remarkable products, their biometric wallet, which has got an astonishing $30 off. And you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got a phenomenal $99 off only if you follow the link in the description box below. Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets, including Hedera and Ripple, so do check it out. Anyways, let's see what's happening with both of these assets in real time, what the official handles are saying, what the community is saying. Let's find out. So folks, let's start with HBAR first. Let's see what's happening with HBAR. So the price of HBAR is almost 25 cents at the moment. Last 24 hours plus 0.62%. US SEC released priorities list for the crypto task force. This is massively bullish for utility tokens, be it XRP, be it HBAR. Shout out to blockchain media over here. Let's see what this is. The security status. Number one, the status of crypto assets under the securities laws is fundamental to resolving many other questions. The task force is working hard to examine different types of assets. Scoping out, the task force will work to help identify some areas that fall outside the Commission's jurisdictions. Coin and token offerings. The task force also is thinking about the possibility of recommending Commission action to provide temporary, prospective, and retroactive relief for a coin or token offerings. Okay, then we've got registered offerings. The task force will consider working with staff to recommend that the Commission modify existing paths to registration. Awesome. Special purpose broker-dealer. The task force will explore possible updates to the special purpose broker-dealer no action statement, which in its current form has not been a success. Custody solutions for investment advisors. We will work with investment advisors to provide an appropriate regulatory framework. Number 7, crypto lending and staking. We need to provide clarity about whether crypto lending and staking programs are covered by the securities laws. Number 8, crypto exchange traded products. So obviously exchange traded products are also under the domain of the regulations and will come under the domain of regulations, and a proper framework has to be set. The Commission already is receiving SRO proposed rule changes to list new types of crypto exchange traded products. The task force will work with the staff to provide clear statements about the approach used when approving or disapproving these applications. Number 9, clearing agencies and transfer agents. The task force also plans to work on the intersection of crypto and clearing agency and transfer agent rules. Awesome. Number 10, cross-border sandbox. Many projects are international in scope. The task force is considering ways to facilitate cross-border experimentation on a limited scale and temporary time frame, with the possibility of more permanent long-term approaches. Folks, from this we can decode and decipher one thing, that the governments, these institutions, they are now getting interested in legitimizing these assets and trying to pave way for a new era of finance, that these projects can help and optimize the legacy systems, the traditional systems. And what I like about this is the 10th one as well, the cross-border sandbox, because a lot of different assets belong to different states, different countries, and they are functioning from one area The development team or the core team is from another region. So we need some mechanisms in place for the future, folks. Obviously, these assets transcend borders, but their teams, core teams, they belong to a certain state. So we need some sort of mechanisms and frameworks for that as well. I really like where this is headed, folks. These are the technicals. Look at this. Mark says that HBAR investors' history is setting up to repeat itself and go parabolic. I got a feeling we about to get rich. Look at this, folks. January 2017, move over here. It came back to the test this trend line over here. Went back up. January 2021, came down, tested this trend line again. And now we can go up again. But I think that we should go way above this area this time. I think this resistance point, to a certain extent, I think that this box should have been a bit further ahead, like this one. Yeah. So yeah. Anyways, you get the idea, the perspective. Think we are just a meme fest. There was another good post over here. Let me share with you. HBAR, the digital oil powering industry 4.0. The fourth industrial revolution is no longer a concept. It is happening now. At the center of this transformation are projects like Hedera, Ripple, and these other good projects, folks. So over 30 global titans, including Boeing, Dell, IBM, Nvidia, Intel, Google, and Hitachi aren't just supporting Hedera, they are building on it. HBAR equals digital oil. Oil powered the industrial age, HBAR is fueling the digital economy. And just like OPEC strategically controls oil supply and demand, Hedera's governing council, comprising the world's most powerful enterprises, shapes the future of digital value. The governing council of Hedera is one of the best things about it, to be honest, in my opinion. Why HBAR is the most valuable asset of the future? Fixed fees, quantum resistant security, made in the USA, powering AI and enterprise intelligence, government and enterprise ready, launched into space by SpaceX, fastest, most scalable DLT, privacy first architecture. Is HBAR the US government's secret weapon? With deep institutional ties and growing adoption at the highest levels, speculation is mounting. Let me bookmark this as well. A really interesting and good post over here. Let me like this. The fourth industrial revolution, basically, this where the inspiration of the title came from. Gilmore Estates, shout out. Anyways, let's see what's happening with XRP in real time as well while we're at it. Okay, as the market, guys, I think more than $2 billion was liquidated from the market a few days ago. You might have already heard about it. I think it was more than COVID and the FTX crash, I think, if I'm not wrong. I read the statistics somewhere. Anyways, XRP also suffered with the rest of the market, folks. So the price of XRP at the moment is $2.5, $2.5, folks. Last 24 hours minus 0.97%. Okay. XRP is the new Bitcoin. 2035. Mom, why is our family rich? Because dad never gave up XRP. XRP to $60,000 because all the banks in USA must start using XRP by March 10th, 2025. Now, do we have some interesting posts over here that is interesting, that is of intrigue? ApeGoat says that did he just say cross-border payments and real-time payments? XRP to the moon. Okay, can someone explain the XRP hype to me? Why on earth would this go to hundreds per coin? Yeah, now this is a question I would really like to see the comments. This will be interesting, folks. Access in my future says the thing about the XRP community is they both at the same time have the most logical, smartest people on the planet and the craziest lunatics to roam the world. There is no really polarized community, folks. XRP has utility to facilitate cross-border payments, tokenization on the XRPL, etc. I believe the future value can be sky high, especially if it becomes a part of a strategic reserve by the US to be the backbone of the US economy. But we need to take baby steps with price, sway from people listening to riddles and counting the stars to predict future events. Yeah, those sort of people really exist in the Ripple community. But like it's everyone has the freedom to do anything they want. I mean, I think yeah, it should be rational. It really hurts the community because we oftentimes set unrealistic expectations for the bull run and a lot of different stuff. I really agree, but it is fun as well in the same time that symbolism is used in the Ripple community and a lot of different stuff. It is interesting as well, folks. But yeah, I agree that we should be reasonable, logical, rational as well. Oh, Tristan, I think we're gonna need a few hours in the war room with with Johnny Walker for this rabbit hole. It is time you study, bro. Struggling with sleep, use the 478 breathing. Okay, I can break it down for you, dude. Tell me. Okay, let me see the replies. Watch the rest of my content. Okay, straight to the point, loud and dirty. I want some comments over here, not people guiding us to watch other content. Anyways, Phoenix says that XRP is building the Internet of Value, designed to facilitate instant, low-cost global transactions while targeting a trillion-dollar payments market. And its holders have weathered every storm. History shows that the strongest communities are forged through adversity. I agree to this. XRP has cemented itself as one of the top players in this space, that's for sure. And along with a good community, the community has stuck by it through thick and thin. It cannot get any messier than that SEC saga that it's still going through, folks. So if the community survived that, I think that it can survive anything, and it is persistent. And if we add the use cases, the building of the Internet of Value, a multi-trillion use case, I think that yeah, it can go to new heights. It can reach new heights, but with baby steps, like X is in the future said, folks. Baby steps. That's true. By design, it stands alone, and the wholesale market globally moves all the big money. This is its utility, let alone the scarcity factor that is incoming and the additional use cases aside of cross-border. It can't be cheap. It is simply a better BTC, faster, cheaper, and the same store of value dynamic. The XRP ledger is setting up to be one of the best sources of liquidity in the world. XRP is the neutral reserve asset for this ledger and is deflationary. We can teach you $589 for XRP is already programmed. I mean, everyone has their own perspectives in this community, folks. Everyone has their own agenda, but what I like about Ripple, what I like about Hedera is the legitimacy that they are trying to bring to this space. That is what I'm interested in, because if legitimacy is brought, if this industry is mature, if this industry becomes mature, only then would serious investors deem it and respect it, basically, and deem it to be good. Let's get Tate the talisman on a space so he can get an understanding of XRP. There's the tech, there's the ethos, and there's the applications. I'm down to explain all three. Anyways, let me bookmark this one as well. Really interesting comments over here, which I might read in my free time. I might get a good idea for a new video as well. Look at this. The Trump administration now mentions the Internet of Value. Ripple Labs created that vision. The decentralized, secure, fast, and cheap XRP ledger will facilitate that. Anyways, folks, what do you guys think about the Ripple and Hedera being the fourth industrial revolution? I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.